Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, power off the Samsung A23 so the card and phone circuitry are safe. Once off, place the phone flat with the screen down to steady it. Find the SIM tray on the left edge, you'll see a tiny hole. Grab the SIM eject tool or a straighten 0.5 mm paperclip. Make sure it's perpendicular, then gently insert until the tray pops out slightly. This prevents bending the tray and protects the SIM contacts during removal. Once the tray is ejected, remove it slowly and straight. Don't wiggle or tilt because the tray is thin and can bend. You'll see the SIM and possibly a micro SD. Note the orientation. Metal contacts face down and the chamfered corner aligns with the tray slot. Carefully lift the SIM free with a fingertip or non-metal tool. If it's tight, use plastic tweezers. Make sure you don't touch the gold contacts, because oils and dirt can cause read errors later. To finish, set the SIM into the tray in the exact same orientation and press it gently so it sits flush. If you have a micro SD, position it first. Slide the tray straight back into the slot until it's fully flush. Forcing it can damage the mechanism. Power on the phone and wait for carrier bars. If no signal appears, toggle airplane mode off and on to force a network search. Troubleshooting tip: if the SIM isn't recognized, try cleaning the gold.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.